I have a second pack here. I didn't open it yet. It's 3 more, so I will keep this. I'll see what I use it on. But this is the Silvercrest Smart Tag Finder. It works with the Apple FindMy network. Like, I have the one attached to my keys, and I didn't remove the plastic on this one, so it's not powered on yet. But now this one is powered on also. So I will put this, I will call these keys. So it beeps. Let's add this one also. So I will add that one also. Open the FindMy app, then tap on plus other item. It's gonna search for it. It will find it. And again, the same name. It has the same name. You see the name on the case also itself. Connect keys. And I will just put the initial there and choose an emoji. I guess now it's connected to it. I'll put like that. I don't know what else to put. Now you get the notification that it's going to be linked to your Apple account. Agree. And it's done. Finish. And now this one, I can play a sound on this. So that's also working. But it doesn't have the precise location. This is how it is. The Dragosh backpack, this is the AirTag. Camera bag is the Silvercrest, and keys is also the Silvercrest. For some important bags, I could actually put one AirTag and one of Silvercrest in different pockets in the bag, so it's 2 of the options. If one is damaged or it's lost, the other one could also work there. So it's not beeping now. I guess the beeping is to reset it. But if you want to remove it, if you want to reset it, you can press on the item. If you want to remove the smart tracker, you go to the item. It also shows the battery there. I like that. If you want to remove it, you go to the item and you scroll down until you see the option to remove. So it removes the tracker from the Apple account. Tap remove. You will need to set it up again. Okay. It beeped 2 times. It means it's removed from the account. If I want to add it again, I will tap on the plus sign again. Other item. It's searching for it again. It found the same default name, and I'll call it keys D, and I choose an emoji, and it showed the same Apple account. So it's finished. So I can play the sound easily. That's how it works. Now these two are linked. This one still has the plastic tab. I will add it for something else. And now I already used 3 of them. And the next box is going to be for extra things. You can put this on a bicycle. You can put it on these larger toys, like if you have a scooter or something. It's really easy to use them to find things, and also it's good for the wallet. I think I will put this one for a wallet, for the bag, for this bag. It fits much better in a pocket. It will not show too much, like this. I think for this is much better than the Apple AirTag. But I have to remember to actually pair it before I put it in the bag. The price is really good, I believe, and I'll see how they work. I usually wouldn't need to have these things, but in case if I lose my keys, it's gonna be much easier to find them, way easier. But there has to be an iPhone within 10 meters of the keys. If I lose the keys, someone with an iPhone has to pass by, not an Android. This doesn't work with Android. It has to be iPhone, and that's why 10 meters is not that good, because maybe someone passes by within 50 meters and it will not connect, because the way this works, the way these things work, they connect to an iPhone nearby, and the iPhone will send to the FindMy network the information where it is and where this thing is. That's why it needs the iPhone. So by themselves, they don't connect to GPS. They use the GPS information from iPhones and iPads. I know iPhones for sure. I'm not sure about iPads, but it will use the GPS information from your iPhone and someone else's iPhone to find your AirTag, including the Silvercrest. But this one has a lower range, so that's why it's cheaper. And also it doesn't have the precise location finder option. So if you need that, if you need the precise location finder and also bigger range, the Apple AirTag is much better. It's a much better option, especially that they will release a version of the Apple AirTag that has a much bigger range than the original version. I'm not sure this one, if it already has the range. Maybe this is the new version, I'm not sure. So this is the model. The Apple AirTag model is here, A1, A2, A2187. That's the model number of this AirTag. And the glue here is because I opened it. When the new AirTags will come up, I'll probably buy them, but these are nice to have both. Have one of each in your bag, in different pockets. If one is lost or is thrown out, there will be the other one. I hope this helps you. Set up the smart trackers on your iPhone. The AirTag works pretty much the same, but it's easier. This one is you have to choose the other device, and it's a bit harder. But they are also much cheaper, and the biggest thing is that they work with the FindMy network, so you can use the Apple network, which is much bigger than any custom network you might use. You can use the Apple network for using these devices, and hopefully you don't need to use them, but it's useful to also, if you have smart devices and smart home features in your home, you could use this for presence detection, so the system knows that you are home to turn on the lights or do some, start some process, start a heater, for example, or something like this, to know that you are, or when you're close to home within 10 minutes, to start the air conditioning units or a heater. That's an option. Just maybe start the coffee machine. I hope this helps you see how this Silvercrest Smart Tag Finder works with the Apple FindMy network and how they compare with the Apple AirTag. Thanks for watching.